What? What? Church's chicken? What? Hold on, listen. Church's fried chicken. Church's. I love Church's. I love Church's for real. I love it. This is going to be. I'm hungry right now, so let's just get to it. Let's go.
You're checking out Abid Pauly.
Okay, guys, we're gonna start off with some chicken tender breast strips. These right here, I just got from the supermarket. Paid about $5 for these. Look at it, all of these for $5, right? Now, in another video that I had on how to make Popeye's fried chicken at home, I had people in the comments saying, "Hey, sir, you aren't supposed to wash your chicken in regular water. You have to wash it with vinegar and lime and stuff like that." Well, I got some regular vinegar, but I also got this right here, organic apple cider vinegar also. So I already cleaned the chicken. I did clean it with water because I don't care. Water is water is water. We're gonna clean it with some water. And then I cleaned it with vinegar, and then I used some of the apple cider vinegar. Also, this is something that you can drink. This right here is a great detoxifying agent to clean out yourself. So ladies, and men, if you're trying to lose the extra body weight or belly fat or whatever, this right here is what you're supposed to drink. I got a few of these. It kind of burns your throat when you drink it, but it definitely does wonders. So that's just another bit of information. I don't know, just Google it. All right, so let's get these ready for frying up. Okay, so we add in some flour and some cornmeal, also some paprika and some cayenne pepper and some adobo. Just whisk that up just a little bit. Let's put that to the side. Okay, so now let's make the batter. I don't know, let's see. Let's start with 2 eggs. Put in some milk. Half cup of flour. Some club soda. This is low sodium club soda. Just put a dab in there. Whisk. Gonna whisk this up. Okay, so now we're gonna take each piece and put it in the seasoned flour. Just don't want to get my hands. I know I'm gonna get them floury, but this right here just saved me. Take them out and you dip it one time in the batter, and then put it back in the seasoned flour. So right now I'm just gonna do these like one at a time. Oops. Put these all on one side. Okay, so now I just pulled out my struggle fryer that everyone was getting on me about, and we fill it up basically 3/4 of the way. Set it to, I believe, 325 degrees. Okay, now we're about to fry up the chicken. So now, one thing I want you to notice is, now I let this sit for a while, and you see how it's clumpy Well, this is exactly the way that you want it. You want it to be clumpy and lumpy. These are, chicken tenders, not regular chicken wings or just regular chicken. So you want to have that type of texture. You want it to be lumpy and clumpy. That's the way you want it to fry up. Okay? So let's fry these bad boys. All right. Okay. All right, all right, all right. Let's see. Oh my gosh, this chicken looks so good. Yeah, this one's fucking hot. So I made some lighter and some darker. At that. And I got my barbecue sauce and Dijon honey mustard sauce. My God. Okay. Let me see. Some of them broke a little bit in the fry, but hold on. So good. Like popcorn chicken. Okay. Let's see. Try some of this. Just want y'all to see this. Hold on. So crunchy. Nice and juicy. These crispy chicken tenders, or chicken fingers, whatever you want to call them, is the bomb. And yes, you can make it at home. Some people say, all those ingredients, I'll just go down and get it at churches. But you gotta think about it, these ingredients that you buy, they're gonna last for months. So you just keep making chicken, because in the long run, you save. And you're cooking at home. I'll leave that one there. Right. Okay, let me try with barbecue. Soften it up a little bit. tender white meat. Okay, so let me just clarify for you. This right here is homemade Church's chicken. Tear it up like popcorn chicken. Nice and juicy. Just like, you know. Wait a second. You can hear the crunch. So once again, thanks for coming to my channel. Do me a favor, like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. So every time I post a new video, you'll know about it. Avid Paulie signing off.